let's talk about the trade. So first of all, okay, let me do one thing. Let me just pause the chart for you guys. All right, so guys, let's dive into it. So if you see what has happened, so I told you guys for beforehand that my bias is going to be bearish. I do not really care what pattern gold is following, because if it is making a lower high and lower low, I don't care. I am going to short. I really don't care, right? Because you got to do what the market is telling you. You don't have to assume, or you don't have to guess, or you don't have to become a fucking numerologist or an astrologer and think that this is what the market is going to do. You just have to do what the market is telling you to do. So price came here. I was waiting for the support to break. It did not break. The price went up. Now when the price went up, here, I'm not gonna lie, even I got tempted to long here, but the difference is I controlled it. I have control over my urges. I have discipline over my trading plan, so I did not go ahead and go long today. Price went up, came back down. Now this was a beautiful confirmation for me, because if you look at on the 1 hour time frame, this is clearly a fake out. This is a fake out. So this 1 hour candle gave me even more confirmation that what, this is going to go down, because whenever price does a fake out, it basically, what it did was it stopped all of you guys out who fucking went short early without a confirmation, without a break of structure. You guys, all of you guys got stopped out. You guys became liquidity for us, and then the price came back down. When the price came back down, obviously, like I told you, this was the support that I was looking at this break, at this so a lot of people are also asking how would I have entered. At this 5-minute candle close, the support was broken, the structure was broken. This is where you could have entered. However, I entered somewhere here a slightly bit early. I was pretty sure that it is going to go down because of the momentum and because of the fake out that it did right here, which I just gave you a confirmation on. And then what else? Price just came down. Now when the price comes down like this, what you have to watch specifically is where are the supports, because when the price is coming down with strong momentum, it also bounces back with strong momentum, like it is doing right here, right? So what I did was, so my very first exit, as I always do, was somewhere around 2331.7, somewhere here. This was my very first exit. Why this was my very first exit? If you extend this, you see there's a support right here. So this was my exit. There was support right here. So in case price came down and bounced back violently, I wanted to take half of my profits. So I sold around 6 lots right here. I'm going to send you the order book as well. Sold around 6 lots right here. Out of those 6 lots, I exited 3 lots over here. Why, I told you. And then obviously price came down. When the price came down, my other exit was somewhere around 2329, which is obviously here. So that was my exit right here, 2329. So again, I wanted to hold this trade for longer, but I did not, because I realized that price is coming from afar. Price is coming from this level. So you have to understand, because if the price is traveling to your zone from a far distance, there's a very high chance it is going to bounce back. So the best thing to do is take your profits, stay happy, and just make money, right? Because this is going to give you more stress, you see. But if let's say the price did not do this, if the price continuously consolidated here and then broke the support zone, I would have loved to hold on to this trade, because then there would be a higher chance that it would travel to this support zone. But here, because the price was traveling from afar, I did not. So that was today's trade, ladies and gentlemen. I will be closing my week, so I won't be posting any analysis tomorrow and day after tomorrow, because I'm closing my week. I will start off fresh on Monday. This was a great week. As you already know, yesterday's trade was around a profit of almost $2,300, and this was $3,000 on a single account. I'm not even talking about the other accounts I'm trading, but I hope these breakdowns help you out. Yeah, and yeah, one more thing. You might be wondering, how do I set my stop loss? I set my stop loss above the 15-minute candle close. So this was the 15-minute candle. I set my stop loss over here. Yep. And if you see the trade, it was a beautiful 2.22 RR trade. So that was it. I hope this helps. I'll see you soon.